How much do you know about knurling? Here at GenSwiss, they offer a variety of knurling tools that are typically used on lathes and Swiss types. Here's a good example of a part actually from one of their units, a knurled cap for holding on a tool holder. GenSwiss offers three basic types of knurling tools. Bump style is the most affordable, but it's largely geared towards bigger diameters because it's got a lot of tool pressure on it. So for Swiss types, they recommend the straddle-style. The straddle-style is unique in that it's adjustable, basically from 0 to 3/4 of an inch. The adjustments are made on the back with these screws. And then you can use a precision gauge to come between the wheels to get the distance exactly where you want it. What's also interesting is the edges are ground, so they're datum surfaces, which really helps when you're setting up a tool in a new machine. There's basically three types of wheels that GenSwiss offers. One is a straight 90-degree, another is a beveled edge, and what they recommend is a convex style. The convex style doesn't impart as much pressure as the other types, which is why they recommend it especially for Swiss types when running very small diameter bar stock. Knurling really isn't about being precise like machining. It's more aesthetics and feel. You want that texture to enable manipulation of tools, maybe handles, items like this. So you probably encounter it more than you think, even in your everyday life.